Welcome to the first section of AWS Cloud Services. In this section, we will try to understand AWS regions and their availability zones. AWS is one of many cloud service providers. AWS has many data centers in all over the world. Technically, it's known as regions. In this image, you can see multiple blue markers on this map. Those are existing regions, and the red marker shows coming soon regions. Let's see some Asia Pacific regions. We have a region in Hong Kong known as AP East 1. In Mumbai also it has only one region known as AP South 1, and in Singapore AP Southeast 1. And some AWS services are region specific. Suppose a service available in a Mumbai region might not be available in Hong Kong or a Singapore region. Now let's see AWS availability zones. We usually call it as AZs. So each region has multiple AZs. We have a Mumbai region as AP South 1, and it has two availability zones, AP South 1A and AP South 1B. AP South 1 is nothing but the region, 1 as a region, and if you add A alphabet, it becomes AP South 1A availability zones, and if you add B, it becomes AP South 1B, one more availability zone. Availability zones are separate from each other, so they are isolated from disaster. Within region, all availability zones are connected with high bandwidth with low latency network. Let's see in AWS Console. This is AWS Console with all AWS services. On top right corner, we have selected North Virginia region. You can select your nearby region to experience low latency and high bandwidth. Now let me choose my nearby region. As I said earlier, some regions are region specific and some are global. If you search for IAM service and select it, as you can see on top right corner, by default global is get selected. So you can say IAM service is a global service. I hope you understand AWS regions and their availability zones. Like, share, subscribe for more concepts.